How to fix Redmi Note 13 no notification sound. So let's start the video. First of all, turn off do not disturb mode. Swipe down to your control center and here you can check your do not disturb mode. If you turn on do not disturb mode, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb mode, then open settings and then scroll down and click on notifications. Now here you can turn on your notifications. After turning on your notifications, then go back and click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.